Alright, kiddo, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I wanted to put little like seashells or a piece of driftwood in there, but we don't have any.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? I could put this whole thing in a pond container like this. It's about 8 inches deep and 2 feet across. And that would be a more permanent setup if I wanted to bury that and hide it in the ground. That would work. But I like the look of this metal bucket and I want to be able to move it around. This basket we're gonna flip over to put the rock on top so we have a void beneath it. This I got at a thrift store. Yeah, was that a big bumblebee? Any kind of bucket this size will work. So long as it holds. I could use mortar to hold these rocks together, but that would make it more heavy. So we're going with the expanding foam again. This stuff is at Home Depot for less than $5. So my plan here is to take this basket that I've cut to be a few inches down from the height of the bucket to go inside the bucket to hold the rock up. I'm gonna set these river rocks around the edge and then stack these flat rocks up for a waterfall with the little pump coming in the backside or from in between a couple of them. And then I'm gonna cover this with the little river rock. So I made pretty good progress, but I used up almost all the foam and the sun's going down and I want to give this time to dry. So I'm going to leave this as it is to let this dry and then I'll come back to it later. So that wraps up this short video. If you like this project and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave this video a like. Comment anything you want down below. Ask me any questions. We'll see you guys in the next one. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good job. Woo.